Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
அப்ப எப்படி அதை பண்றது? How do you bring about this principles? எப்படி நீங்க கிரியேட் பண்ணுவீங்க? How do you discover the principles? Wilson says it's very simple. He propounds a concept called Politics-Administration Dichotomy. Distinguish between politics and administration. அங்கதான் சொல்றாரு, administrative questions are not political questions. While administrative questions are rational, to be dealt with rationality, political questions are to be dealt with based on values. Administration has to be value free like the science. ரெண்டோடைய இது என்னன்னா, administration has to be value free like a science. If I drop this pen, what will happen? Then விட்டுட்டேன் now. என்ன வந்துருமா? எங்க விழும்? சரி, supposing you do it, she does it. Okay, we go downstairs, ground floor ல போய் பண்ணா, அப்போ மொட்டமடியில் போய் பண்ணா, கல்கட்டாவில் போய் பண்ணா, ஏன் சார் லூஸ் மாதிரி கேள்வி கேட்குறீங்க? எங்க பண்ணாலும் கீழே தான் சார் விழும். What does it mean? It is value free. அதான் சயின்ஸ். ஏன் கீழே விழுது? கிராவிட்டி. அவ்வளோதானே? So it is independent of the men, independent of the time, independent of the place. It obeys a standard principle, right? The same way there are principles for public administration too. That is why we have to make public administration value free science. If it is to be a value free science, then it must be removed from politics. Listen, தெளிவா சொல்றாரு, administration must be removed from the strife of politics. Now, administration must be removed from the strife of politics. The bickerings and holdings of the politics prevents the discovery of the principles of administration. So it has to be separated. We have to remove public administration from the strife of politics, the hurry and strife of politics.